Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, swipe down and open the Control Center. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode, then turn off Silent mode. Also turn off Low Power mode. After that, try to restart your iPhone. Often a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the next solution. Open Settings, then tap on Notifications. Scroll down and tap on Facebook. Make sure that the toggle next to Allow Notifications is turned on. Make sure to enable all the settings. Scroll down. Tap Facebook Notification Settings. This will redirect you to the Facebook app. Turn off View Push Notification. Also check all the settings from here and make sure to enable all the settings from here if you still have the issue. Then try the next solution. Open the App Store or Play Store, search Facebook. If you found any new updates, then please update the app. Lastly, open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Disable that. After that, go back. Scroll down. Tab General. Now tap the Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Make sure to set Wi-Fi and cellular. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.